Are you okay, pretty bird? Hi. Good morning. Did you hit your head on the window? Did you hit your head on the window? Come and see the pretty bird, buddy. Be nice. Come and see. Buddy. It's a pretty bird. Come and see. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Go see the pretty bird. Go see him. It's okay. It's okay, pretty bird. It's okay. Oh, there he goes. Be nice, buddy. Be nice. Be nice. Here, buddy, no. No. You scare him. Stop. You be nice. Pretty bird. Where are you? It's okay. It's okay, pretty bird. Where are you? There he goes. I wonder why you can't fly. Up and out of here. What's the matter, pretty bird? Here, buddy. No, stay back. He's scared. It's okay, pretty bird. You're okay. Give him some seeds. Are you hungry? What's the matter, pretty bird? I don't want to touch him. Poor baby. I hope you find your way out. Come here. Pretty bird. It's okay. What do you think, buddy? Can you be nice to the baby bird? What's the matter with that birdie? Go see. Can you help him? Can you help the birdie? Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Good boy, be nice. Buddy, be nice. Be nice. There he goes. Buddy, stop. Nice. He must be hurt. Come on, let's leave him alone, buddy. Here, come on, buddy. Go inside. We're just gonna let him. We'll let him be. He'll be okay. He'll be okay. He'll be able to fly away later. It's okay. Yeah, good boy. Good. Be nice to the birdie. Yep, buddy. Here. Here. Look at me. Oh, I know you want to go out there and see that birdie, but I'm not going to let you. No. Lie down there. Wait. We got to let him go. It's okay. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Poor little bird, I think he broke his wing. He broke his wing. Hi, pretty bird. Are you okay? Can I help you? Can I help you? Did you break your wing? Did you break your wing? Come on, it's okay. I won't hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. Did you break your wing? It's okay. Did you break your wing? Come here, baby. Come on. Oop, he went under there.
Thanks for watching and have a happy Sunday.